Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How can I help
Sir, I am the.
you? Oh, you are Karthik Kumar. I was expecting you. Welcome to Indian Railways. Here is your appointment letter.
Thanks, sir.
Becoming a loco pilot is a dream job for many. I hope you know you have big responsibilities on your shoulder.
I do, sir. I will try my best.
Shouldn't you be reporting for first day training? Who is your reporting officer?
Sir, I think it's someone called Satidar.
Oh well. Good luck out there. I have a feeling you are going to need it.
Haha.
Express is scheduled apart from platform number 6. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 2.
Are you Karthik Kumar?
Yes, sir.
You are late. If this is your commitment on your first day, you can forget this job.
Sir, I went to collect my appointment.
I do not want any excuses. There are thousands of young men and women out there who will give anything to get this job. Let this be the last time.
Sorry, sir. It won't happen again.
Now get in quickly. We do not have holiday.
Platform number.
Another day, another route. I do not know what they taught you at the Loco Pilot Academy, but here, you do things my way. Does this stick look familiar, or have you forgotten everything you learned in your academy?
Platform number 6.
Push the throttle gently. Good. Now keep going and reach a speed of 40.
Observers, fast express.
Some more. Nicely done. Now gently slow down and reach a speed of 30. Clean work. Do you think you can handle more speed? Okay then. Quickly speed up to 60. Some more. Not bad at all, Karthik. One more thing. Remind me after we reach Chennai. I have something to give you. This is just the beginning, Mr. Kumar. There's a lot you need to prove.
Definitely, sir.
We will continue this tomorrow. Meanwhile, I have something for you.
What is it, sir?
Here is your uniform.
Thank you, sir.
And here is your walkie-talkie. Keep this safe and with you at all times.
Thank you, sir.
I will teach you how to use it tomorrow. Do not be late again.
Hi, Ma.
Hello beta, did you have a good first day?
Yeah, it was okay. How's the weather there?
It's been raining since yesterday.
I got my new uniform today.
Oh wow, send me a picture.
Check your WhatsApp.
Wow, you look just like your father in this uniform. He would have been so proud of you.
Thanks, Ma.
Eat well, sleep on time.
I will.
2 दिन के लिए थोड़ा कम नहीं पड़ेगा?
ये मैट लिपस्टिक्स look, it's Karthik Dhandapani.
Hey Rajiv, I don't why you keep calling me that when you know my name is Karthik Kumar.
You are Karthik Kumar to others. To me, you will always be a Dhandapani. Anyway, what are you doing here? I didn't expect to see you.
I have joined work here.
I didn't know they were hiring a gangman. I would have personally recommended your name if I knew.
Haha, very funny. You know we both studied to become loco pilots.
What? You? A loco pilot? Hahaha. This is too funny. I thought you would never graduate from the academy.
You haven't changed at all, have you?
See you around. Loco pilot.
Passengers, your kind attention please.
I see that you arrived on time.
Yes sir.
What was that man telling you?
Who Rajiv sir? Nothing, we studied together. He was my senior at the academy sir.
I trained him too. Hope you are better than him. Remember what you learned yesterday. I hope for your sake you do. Depart from station and attain the speed of 40. I see you remembered to hum before leaving from station.
What was that sir? Sir, did I do something?
No, that wasn't you. Somebody pulled the alarm bell. Take out your walkie-talkie and do as I say.
Attention loco pilot. This is the guard. Looks like someone has pulled the chain.
Yes, I noticed the drop in brake pressure.
What should I do?
Check immediately.
Okay, I am going now. Who pulled the chain?
Two guys pulled the chain, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, fair enough.
What was?
They were traveling without tickets, sir.
Okay, I will inform the loco pilot. Thanks. The chain was pulled in S4 coach.
What is the reason?
Some miscreants pulled the chain.
Have they been taken in custody?
Unfortunately, they ran off before I could reach. I am going to reset ACP now. Please wait.
Okay, I am waiting.
I have reset the ACP. Ready to leave now.
Thanks.
I will make a note on the CPR. Can you submit report to the RM?
I will. This was actually quite easy. No different from the simulators we have used at the academy.
Remember, kid, do not get too cocky. I said you were good, not the best. In fact, I do not think I even said you were good.
Sorry, sir.
Before I let you go, there is something else you need to know. I am working on speed testing a new top secret loco. The trials are scheduled tomorrow.
That sounds really fascinating, sir.
It is. I want you to take part in it and assist me.
I would love that.
I hear the minister will be coming for inauguration. If all goes well tomorrow, I think I will get to meet him.
This is very exciting, sir.
So be here at 8 am sharp tomorrow. You will meet Miss Kavitha. She is also on the team.
Good night, sir.
Is stress making you bold yet?
Not yet, but that day isn't far away. How are you, Ashok? How are things over there?
It's good, Masa. How's your Rapodan officer? Mine is same as free.
He seems hard to impress. You know what? Rajiv is here.
Who? Rajiv from the academia.
Yeah, him. I am afraid he hasn't changed.
Don't let him mess with you, Kadi.
We are doing test trials for a new super fast engine.
Which model, Masa?
It's a top secret mission. The loco is camouflaged for tests today. It's a small team, me, my officer and an engineer named Kavita.
Who is that Kavita?
Bye Ashok, I gotta go.
If you cut the call without telling me, I swear I will.
Satada sir said you may not come on time.
I was late one time, but he will never stop mentioning that, I guess.
First impressions matter. Hi.
Hi. Karthik. Satada sir informed me you are on the team.
Hello. I was always on the team. You are the one who's joining new.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Is there anything I need to know about the mission today?
We are performing the final trials of the new loco developed indigenously in Banaras. It's a matter of pride for India. We have achieved great results so far. If today's test goes well, we may end up breaking the old speed record.
What is the current record?
The current speed record is 206 kilometers per hour in 60 seconds. We have to break that today.
That sounds very challenging.
Yes, but we are positive. Look, Satada sir has come. Let's get into the loco.
Kavitha, when I tell you, start the countdown. Karthik, as soon as the timer starts, please dictate it. The route is cleared for us. All speed limits are disabled. Our goal is to break the speed record in 45 seconds or less. Are you both ready? On my countdown. 3, 2, 1, start. Fantastic effort, team. We have done it. Karthik, bring the train. Final trail showing good.
Yeah, it was thrilling to drive, sir.
Everyone on the mission today has received a framework certificate of today's speed record. Here is your copy.
Thanks, sir.
Station master just confirmed to me that Minister has accepted our invitation for inaugural run of the loco.
That's great news, sir.
We should start preparing for inauguration. It will be a special day for us all. Hello, Karthik.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. I am not feeling so great today.
What's wrong, sir?
Just feeling a little feverish.
That's not good.
Yeah, so I guess you are doing your first solo trip today.
Oh, sir, I didn't realize that.
Can you do me a favor?
Definitely, sir. What is it?
When you return back to Chennai later today, you have a stop at Arakkonam.
Yes, sir.
Can you collect a package for me? Someone will come and meet you at the engine.
Okay, sir. I will collect it.
Thanks, have a safe trip.
Depart from platform number 5. Passengers, your kind attention please.
Hello, you must be Karthik.
Yeah, hello.
I am Mr. Sathida Taylor. Here is the package.
Thanks. Is that it?
Yes, that's all.
Platform number